Hey guys, welcome back to another pipeline trading video. So I just wanted to make this quick video for transparency. I covered my short on Intel at 1650. And I'm going to explain real quick on why. So I did take a $300 loss. And well, it's gone now. But over here on this one big candle we had, I was shorting on this candle on the way down. That's where I was covering, sorry. And the reason for that, there was a big order block over here that it took out. So could this continue to go down here to 109? Absolutely. But remember, I was really early and my time decay was killing me on my option. So I wanted to get out of the trade. I'm going to reevaluate and I'm going to look for this to basically, if you look on the 15-minute, we could go back up to 120 or even 119. And this would have killed my option contract if we get a big reversal, even up to 122 to this fair value gap before making its next leg down. So I wanted to just explain that was a thought process, because if you look on the minute chart, you could see that the selling is exhausted. And I'm going to explain this real quick. We broke above the 20-day moving average. This again is on the 1-minute chart right here, which tells me that the selling is done. You could see that typically the selling would pick up here. So we had buying pick up, and we have this coming down to a fair value gap. And it's not to say we can't go lower, but this right here, how these are crossing and continuing to hold up. Sorry for that. This is telling me that there's a good chance we're going to get a run up to VWAP, which is about 121, if we take out this bearish order block right here. So that would require a little bit of forza, I guess you could say, a little bit of buying activity. But that's what we're seeing right here. You could see, look, the buyers are coming back in at this level. Anybody that was short is going to be covering down here. And then also, too, what I was looking at was this right here, which we broke out of, right? So we did this. We could come down, hold this. As long as we don't go below this, the chances of it going to the upside are on the higher probability side. And maybe I'll just keep this on so we can I could walk you through it as it's continuing to make its move, because you're going to see, if we go back on the 5-minute chart, what I was referring to is, again, look, now we're going to watch this candle right here. I could do horizontal, but if I do that, it goes across the whole thing. So right now, if we stay, and I'll take the Gaussian channel off. Let me just tell whoever the wife is texting to just chill out for a sec. So we're going to be watching this. Right now, our sentiment is an extreme fear. So for these reasons, the fact that we're holding this one, I'll take the Gaussian channel off so you could see. Where's Gaussian channel? So you could see that's a really big bullish candle. And could we do this right here? Yes. And that's why I have these lines in so you could see. But right now, if I go to the minute chart, you could see that it's exhausted. So we are due for a relief rally. And then another thing too is, if you look at the volume, this is showing that we could go back to 127 on the session, right? And it doesn't mean, sorry, I said that wrong. Doesn't mean we have to go to 127 today, but we took out all the order blocks that were down here. We hit, I think I counted 5 different fair value gaps. And I do expect, keep this in mind, I do expect this to continue to go down. It's just we're going to get some sort of relief. And we might even go up to here where I was saying 124, because this is where we broke the character. This is a change of character, and I want to basically see a run up here, a fail, and then I'll re-enter my short again. Remember, I made the mistake. I explained, don't make the same mistake I did. I shorted way too early, and I could have made a lot of money. But just as an example, the reason I covered my options contracts today alone, just today, went up almost 45%. So for me to take the $300 loss was fine, because again, I don't want this to go up, and then these options contracts will go down 60% in the next handful of days. So keep an eye on that. I wanted to explain why I did what I did. I'm going to be looking for this to basically go back up to this level, get rejected, and then enter the short again. So stay tuned. If you like videos like this, please subscribe, hit the bell notification, stay patient, trade with intention, and stay disciplined. God bless you all.